Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enter pairing mode on a TOZO T20. It is pretty simple, and all you need to do is simply open the case. When you open the case and the earbuds have not been connected to any device before, then you can take out both earbuds, you can close the case, and you should see the white flashing light on the front of the earbuds. If it's flashing like this, it means that they are in the pairing mode, and then you can search for them on your device. So if you go to Bluetooth on your smartphone, then you should be able to find TOZO T20, and then you should be able to pair. And once it is paired, then the lights should turn off. And later on, if you decide to enter the pairing mode again, you just need to unpair from the alt on the alt device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.